In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a beautiful photo using the Canva AI image generator. So first, click on the Canva AI, or you can scroll down on your left and click on Canva AI from here. So I'll click on this one. Just click on AI here. This is your prompt box. You have designed for me, create an image, which is what I'll use right now, draft a doc, code for me, or create a video clip. So I'll click create an image and it's good. We have style here, which is very important. So I want something cinematic, which is this, or effect. Let's check. All right, so I'll click on that, and the aspect ratio, I'll use this one, but if it's for social media, you can use 9:16 or 1:1. Let's go for this. All right, now I need to add the prompt, so I'll paste my prompt in here. If you want to add media, you can click on the plus and add a media, but in this case I'm not adding additional media. All right, click on submit to generate. So when you scroll down, you can see right here. All right, it has given me 4 options, and you see I wasn't specific about the race, so I just have to pick. I like all of that. Let me select this to see. All right, this one looks so cool. It's popping. All right, so if I want to boost the resolution, I'll click boost resolution, but before that I'll show you something quickly. All right, so I can boost the resolution. Check it. See, so cool. All right, download it. You just download from here. You download and you view, and this is it. This is stunning photo, very beautiful. And this is the end of the tutorial. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel.